Hello everyone. This is Shikha here once again. I know I'm like after a long time. So सबसे पहले मैं आप सबको हाय बोलना चाहती हूँ हेलो and I want to give a brief introduction about myself. So my name is Shikha and I live in Ontario, Canada with my family. मैं originally I am from India और मैं कनाडा में पिछले ऑलमोस्ट 12 ईयर से रह रही हूँ और बाय प्रोफेशन I'm an accountant and a graphic designer and but I'm doing this business from past 3.5 years, digital business, and I'm a coach, I'm a mentor, and today I'm here with a very special guest. She joined this business recently, and but she's doing amazing in this business. So I thought let's उनको अपने प्लेस पे बुलाया जाए एंड मेरा जो उनको इस लाइव में बुलाने का ये मैंने उनको इसलिए इनवाइट किया बिकॉज सबसे पहले तो एक सो शी इज like she is the youngest member in my team and I'm so proud of her कि उसने ये बिजनेस ज्वाइन किया राइट अपनी फैमिली के लिए अपने लिए एंड शी टुक दिस डिसीजन लाइक इस एज में लाइक जहाँ पर लोग जो स्टूडेंट होते हैं वो स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स जो उन्होंने होता है कि हम लोगों को स्टडी करनी है और जॉब्स करनी है बट शी हैज अ माइंडसेट कि नहीं मुझे business कुछ करना है जो कि साइड हसल ऐसा कुछ स्टार्ट करना था अपने लिए अपनी फैमिली के लिए सो आज का सेशन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है सो प्लीज वेलकम इनवीर खौर हाय इनवीर
Hi, Shikha. How are you?
आई एम ग्रेट सो इनवीर हम लोग ये सेशन हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करेंगे
Yeah.
नॉट पंजाबी ओके सो इवन लाइक आई अंडरस्टैंड पंजाबी इफ यू कैन अगर आपने करना हो तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन मिक्स बट या सो इनवीर सबसे पहले तो थोड़ा सा अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दो हमारी ऑडियंस को एंड आल्सो टेल देम दैट व्हाई यू ज्वाइन दिस बिजनेस
So I joined this business because I was looking for a side hustle where I could earn some extra income. As you know, like in today's world, there is no like job security, right? So it doesn't matter like how many hours you're working or how hard you work. They could let go of you at any time. So, it's always good to have a plan B. And also, yeah.
पहले थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बता दो
Okay. So my name is Inveer and I live in Toronto, Ontario. I live with my family and I'm born and brought up here
इन कनाडा
in Canada. Yeah.
दैट्स अमेजिंग और तो आप ओरिजिनली इंडिया में कहाँ से हो
We're from Jalandhar, India.
पंजाब ओके ओके सो या सो इन वेर मेरा आपसे जो क्वेश्चन है नेक्स्ट वो ये क्वेश्चन है कि लाइक जैसे मैंने अभी भी बताया कि इस एज में जो बच्चे होते हैं वो लाइक स्टूडेंट्स राइट दे
Yeah.
वांट टू फोकस ऑन देयर स्टडीज एंड दे वांट टू लाइक हर किसी का ये होता है कि नहीं हमें एक अच्छी कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में जॉब मिल जाए सो विल सेटल्ड सो व्हाई व्हाई यू चूज दिस लाइक एज अ बिजनेस ये आपका कुछ पहले से ही था कि मुझे कुछ बिजनेस करना है या यू जो सडनली आपके सामने आया तो यू जस्ट चेंज योर माइंड लेट्स डू दैट सो या
Yeah, so I always wanted to do something of my own. Like, I didn't want to work for someone else. And a part of the reason for that is because I always want to spend time with my family and friends. And like, that when you're working, you're always bound by like a schedule, a time. Like, you always have to be there at that time, right? And like sometimes I used to miss out on things like family events or like on Friday evenings when everyone's sitting together enjoying themselves. I used to be at work and I hated that. Like I wanted to be there and I wanted to spend time with my family as well. So, that was also like the biggest reason. And I was like, okay, I want to do something of my own where I can like have that freedom. I can like spend time with my family and friends. So that was the reason why I joined this.
That's amazing. Yeah, because especially like I'm married, I have kids, 2 kids, so हम लोग हमारा यही रहता है कि
Yeah.
most of the time टाइम बच्चों के साथ स्पेंड किया जाए, फैमिली के साथ किया जाए, फ्रीडम हो जब चाहे बैक इंडिया जा सकें. जैसे
Yeah.
तभी like I started this business as a side hustle कि मेरा साइड हसल नहीं था मेरे लिए प्लान ए टू जी यही था ठीक है सो बिकॉज मैंने सारे अपने आप ही सारे ऑप्शंस मैंने अपने लिए बंद कर दिए थे कि नो आई डोंट वांट टू गो to anything else I want to put full focus on this business so I can grow fast
Yeah.
so um So now you are in this business, right? So um जब आपने ये when you saw this about this opportunity, right? So that time definitely you discussed with your family, right?
Yeah.
So what did they say?
I mean, my parents are very supportive, so like whatever I do, they are supportive of that. So when I told them about this business, they were like, "Okay, just try it out and see like if you want to do this, like
Mhm.
with you."
So they support you full, like,
Yeah.
okay, that's good. Yeah, so one plus point because after marriage you think yes, we have to ask our husbands. Yes, some are supportive, some are not. Like in
Yeah.
my case, my husband was really, like he support like fully. So मुझे नहीं हुआ ऐसा कुछ problem issues, but I know there are lots of people here, mothers here, your wives here, who who wants this kind of support, but
Yeah.
family support, husband support, but they unfortunately they didn't get it. But yeah, so that's like very inspiring that your parents are supporting you.
Yeah.
And now you are in this business in where, so how do you feel, what do you think, like like you are in this business from past 2 months, right? But
Hmm.
then like I know that like like any business, koi bhi business, so it takes time to grow, right?
Yeah.
So but if we are talking about the personal growth or the confidence level, or what आपको क्या लगता है, लाइक जो लाइक व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, कि आपने जिस सोच के साथ ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, लाइक आर यू आपको लगता है कि यार यू कैन अचीव ऑल दोस ड्रीम्स, और जो आपने देखे थे जिससे आपको
Yeah.
लगा कि हाँ मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ तो मैं अचीव कर पाऊंगी, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
So when I initially started, I was a bit skeptical myself. Like I was like, I don't know if this is real or if this is a scam or I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. But then I was like, okay, I'm going to go in with a positive mindset and and like let's see where it goes. And then I also saw like these stories. I see testimonials. I see other people do it, and I'm like, okay, if they can do it, then I can do it as well, right? So I feel really good about it, and I feel like the system actually works. If it's working for other people, then yes, it definitely works. And yeah.
No, so that's my question. Like now you are in this business, right?
Yeah.
So how do you feel like आपने जैसे बताया कि आपका आपने ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था ताकि आप फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर
Yeah.
सको, एक अपना मेरे को किसी को आंसर ना करना पड़े, तो now you are in this business from past 2 months. How do you feel now?
No, I feel good. I feel comfortable. I feel great.
Do you think like in future ये business आपको whatever your dream has, you it will be
Yeah, I
fulfilled?
feel like I can be successful in this, and I definitely see myself going further into this and doing bigger things. Like, yeah.
दैट्स अमेजिंग अमेजिंग, या बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों के यही होता है कि हमें रिजल्ट्स ना मिला तो
Yeah.
आई ऑलवेज टेल देम दिस इज अ बिजनेस, एनी जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर बिजनेस, राइट? सो
Yeah.
जब तक आपके साथ, जैसे आपने बताया कि आप भी स्केप्टिकल थे, बट यू हैव अ पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट कि नहीं, लेट्स सी क्या होता है, राइट? अगर
Yeah.
मैं ये सोचते रहूंगा तो आई विल नेवर डू एनीथिंग। सो डेफिनेटली, तो बहुत लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो लोगों को लगता है कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी या रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिले, तो आई ऑलवेज टेल देम it's like just trust on the system, trust on
Yeah.
yourself, right? If
I
you
also
put your
feel
Mhm.
I
Go
also
on.
feel like you have to have patience. Like, like everything takes time, but it will happen if you put in the hard work and the consistency.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, so if you're gonna put your 100% effort into this business, you will definitely get the results. So in very last question from you, so like you are doing the training, so there are lots of people. I know you are born here, and your English is perfect, but there are so many people who they're like जिनकी English जो as a second language है, just like me. So
Yeah.
so आपको क्या लगता है कि this business is good for them or not?
I feel like business is good for everyone. Like, like there's a lot of people working from all over the world, and there's no language barrier. Like, you could do this business in any language that you're comfortable in doing. So don't hesitate. Like, I feel like you can do it if everyone else can do it. You just have to have the will. Like, this is something I want to do. And if you know that this is something you want to do it, then don't stop.
डेफिनेटली। सो इनविर एक लाइन पंजाबी में आप जरा बता दो कि
Yeah,
कैसे जो whoever is interested into this business,
yeah.
what are the steps to join this business, and the second thing, that who people who the fence sitters, I'm talking like the fence sitters who really want to join this business but they are skeptical. What one piece of advice you want to give to them, but in Punjabi?
Okay, so ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ business join ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ hesitate ਨਾ ਕਰੋ like ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ language barrier ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਸਾਰੇ business ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਆਪਦੀ language ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ so ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ
What are the steps?
So ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਟੈਪ ਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਰਜਿਸਟਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੈਡੀ ਆ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਤੇ ਰਜਿਸਟਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਸੋ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਤੇ ਰਜਿਸਟਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਵੈਬਿਨਾਰ ਮਿਲੂਗਾ ਸੋ ਵੈਬਿਨਾਰ ਦੇਖਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਾਈਡ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਸੋ ਵੈਬਿਨਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਦੱਸੂਗੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਹੈਗਾ ਕੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਸਟੈਪਸ ਕੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਐਂਡ
What
ਜੇ
are
ਤੁਸੀਂ
there are few testimonials are there, and they are आपको बताएंगे क्या है इस बिजनेस के बारे में. But after that you can, if you want, you can talk to your mentor. ठीक है, like, and mentor वो जो जिसकी वेबसाइट पे आप रजिस्टर करोगे then वो आपका mentor होगा, and you can register on your sorry, once you register on your website, watch the webinar, and after that if you want you can talk to your mentor, and after that, once you satisfy, yes, I want to do this business, take the trial period. Take the trial period, which in that trial period you have to pay 149 USD, which is fully 100% refundable. You have 1 month. आपके पास पूरे 30 days होते हैं, 30 days होते हैं अपनी मनी वापस लेने के लिए, if you don't want to go ahead, guys.
yeah
Yeah. So, and it's a legal business. It's like we are filing the tax too. So yeah, so these are the steps to join the business. And like Inver ne kaha ki if you like one piece of advice she gave that अगर आपको लगता है कि yes मुझे कुछ लाइफ में करना है, राइट, सो आपके पास बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आएगी, बट उन अपॉर्चुनिटी में से एक जो आप चूज करोगे वो आप ही को चूज करनी है, किसी और को नहीं करनी है. सेम हियर, लाइक हम लोग यहाँ पर अपने पेजेस पे लाइव करते हैं या फिर आपको आपसे फोन पे बात भी करिए, हम लोग सिर्फ आपको एक वे ही दिखा सकते हैं, आपको एक राह दिखा सकते हैं, बट you are the person who took step, right, who takes steps, just like Inver as a like she is very young, बट उसको था कि मुझे कुछ करना है, लाइक मुझे 9 to 5 के सर्कल से बाहर निकलना है, मैं आई वॉन्ट टू एंजॉय माई लाइफ फ्रॉम नाउ. तो उसने इस एज से ही इतनी यंग एज से शी स्टार्टेड दिस बिजनेस. सो अभी लाइक आफ्टर अभी लाइक आई थिंक सो she is very young, 2021 or 22, and after marriage, like उसका पूरा business set हो चुका होगा जब तक उसकी marriage होएगी, and she is good to go, right? So she can enjoy her married life, so everything is set up for her. So yeah, so again, like in this business there is no age limit, no language barrier, anyone can join this business. If you want any information, like so reach out to us, we will provide you all the information. And but again, your first step is to register on our website, and after that, if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on WhatsApp or on Messenger, or you can search us on Google. So yeah, so you can reach out to us, and if you really want to change your life, or you want to fulfill your dreams, we are here to help you guys. Okay. Thank you so much. Invi, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, I feel like you just have to have a positive mindset and you can do it. If everyone else can do it, you can do it as well. Yeah. And thank you, Shika, for giving me the opportunity to talk here. And
my pleasure. My pleasure. So bye everyone. We'll see you again.
Bye.
Bye.